Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write compelling product descriptions using DeepSeek. If you're running an online store, it's important to have product descriptions that sell. But writing the descriptions that are both engaging and informative can be a challenge, so DeepSeek can help you with that. DeepSeek is an AI tool that can help you write clear, persuasive, and SEO-friendly descriptions in minutes, whether you're selling clothing and electronics or handmade crafts. DeepSeek can help you highlight the best features. So let me show you how it works. First, start with a clear prompt. It's the key to be specific for the best results. So I'm gonna, for example, say something like write a product description for a portable Bluetooth speaker with 12-hour battery life, waterproof design, and deep bass. Target audience also can be specified. It is also really important for the product descriptions to include target audience. So I'm gonna just type in the prompt. So you can see that here. Then step 2 is to highlight key features and benefits. So for example, instead of just saying 12-hour battery life, you can give it an example. For example, instead of saying this 12-hour battery life, highlight the key feature. And then you can give it an example. Examples are also really important when it goes to creating prompts. So I've given an example. Enjoy all music with a powerful 12-hour battery, perfect for camping trips, beach days, or backyard parties. So this is and use a creative description like this. So the step 3 is using persuasive language. So you can ask DeepSeek to include words that create urgency or excitement. So let's just say to include these words. And also let's say at the end, optimize it for SEO. So for search engine optimization, it is also really important for your product to be found online if it has a good SEO. And you can see it goes really creative with it and creates a really good product description with all the key features. It also has created the name for the speaker because I didn't mention the name before, so you can just replace the name everywhere it appears if you already have a name for your product. And here are the keywords that you can add to the keywords field on your selling platform. And remember that AI not always gives the best results, so you should edit and refine it. You can also ask it to rewrite and tweak it to match your brand's voice. And this is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.